Boys, can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes.
Can you see
Yes.
me? Okay, then reply Vita. So, India, Earth surface, climate, vegetation, and wildlife. These things are there.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, boys, my phone had turned off. Okay, now you can see. Can you see my screen, boys? Hello, boys. हाँ कि ना तो बोलो say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about India, Earth's surface, and the climate, vegetation, and wildlife. Okay. So, first we'll see the division of Earth's surface. What are we going to see first? First, the Earth's surface. Okay. See, India is a very vast country. We know that, right or no? It has a very vast geographical area also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So now we are going to learn about this vast country, India. Okay. Yes. Who will read? Who will read, beta? Boys.
Ma'am, can I Sorry, Muhammad Fazil.
Yes, Fazil, read, beta.
Lesson number 13. Indian Earth surface, climate, vegetation, and wildlife. India is India is a country of
Vast, vast.
vast geography area. At the same time, it is geographical diversity. This this diversity amazes you. The high peak of the Himalaya mountain region in the and are north or south. Ma'am, what is this? Your screen is blur. I can't see.
Okay, I'll read that. India is a
Yes,
country. Yes, India is a country of a vast geographical area. What type of area it has, Zohair?
ma'am, can I answer? Vast,
Yes. It is vast. Vast means what?
so big,
Very big. Vast means what?
very big.
Yes, a very big country, right? Very. big country. Now, in this, yes, in this country, India, there is a vast diversity also. Diversity means what? I have explained you this before. What is diversity? What is diversity? What do you understand by diversity? Huh? जियोग्राफिकल डाइवर्सिटी और डाइवर्सिटी का मीनिंग क्या होता है बेटा?
Diversity of India. That all.
Diversity here means there is differences. Okay, there is differences in everything. Yes, in the land as well as in the clothes attire. If you remember, in the 17th in the 14th lesson of our textbook, I had explained you about unity in diversity. Remember? Boys. But
Yes,
beta,
ma'am.
unity in diversity is, we know all, right? It is a unique feature of our country, right?
Yes.
Hmm? But in terms of geographical diversity also, India is very vast. है ना? There are lots of people living with different, clothes, wearing different clothes according to the area. कोई mountainous region पे रहता है, कोई plateaus, कोई flat land, right? So it has a geographical diversities. This diversities amazes us. है ना? They are amazing diversities. People, people of our country follow different religions also. Diversity in people of India have diversity in religion, language, culture, food, attire, living practices, customs, rituals, festivals, residents, etc. etc. Same as same, we have festivals diversity, language diversity, culture diversity, food diversity. है ना? Yes or no? बेटा. So same, all these diversities amazes us, right? Same as same, there is geographical diversities also. Now, what is this geographical diversities? The diversities which we found in Himalayan mountain ranges, right? To some, Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, somewhere plateaus, somewhere land areas, right? So all this is called geographical diversities, differences. Yes? Yes or no? Zoher.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Zoher, read this para beta.
Oh. India, Earth, surface, climate, vegetation, and wildlife. India is country of vast geographical area. At the same time, it has geographical diversities. Diversity. This diversity amazes us. The high peaks of Himalayan mountain range in the north are shown converted throughout the year. The Bay of Bengal is in the east, Arabian Sea is in the west, and Indian Ocean lies in the south of India. The area of India is
Yes. So, see, continue. Continue, Zoher.
32.88 lakh square kilometer in
It is.
estimated to be 300 uh, 3,214 kilometers from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, and its extent 2,933 kilometers from Arunachal in the east to Kutch in Gujarat in the west. Different landforms such as long sea coast, high mountain ranges, river, plains, the plateaus, the climate and flora
Flora.
attract flora means vegetation attract us. Diversity is seen in our customs and traditions also. These diversities and the feelings of one country give us a unique identity.
Yes, that's a unique identity. Very good. So now, beta, now we will see that our country, India, is, as you know, it is a vast country. You know, the area of India is 32.8 lakh, excuse me, 32.8 lakh square kilometer. How much is the area, Zohir? Note down, everyone. Chalo. Everyone note down. The area of India is 32.8 lakh square kilometer. How much is the area, beta?
32.8 lakh square kilometer.
Yes, and it is estimated to be 3,214 kilometers from Kashmir in the north, okay, to Kanyakumari in the south. ये लेंथ है, ओके, किलोमीटर्स में. कहाँ किस में है? किलोमीटर्स में. कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी की लेंथ है, कितनी है? कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी इट इज 3,214 kilometers. How much? Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
3,214 kilometers from Kashmir in the north.
Yes, and from the Kashmir to the Kashmir to Kanyakumari, 3,214 kilometers, and from south, okay, south it extends. कितना किलोमीटर होगा? 2,933 kilometers from Arunachal Pradesh in the east, okay, sorry, south में कन्याकुमारी तक होगा, and in the east में अरुणाचल प्रदेश, okay, Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Kutch in Gujarat. It is how much kilometers? 2,933 kilometers, okay. Gujarat is in which direction, boys? I have teach you about map. Gujarat is in which direction?
West.
So from the west to the east, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, the length is how much? It is 2,933 kilometers. How much it is? How much it is, students? It is 2,933 kilometers. Okay, from east to west, Arunachal Pradesh, capital is Itanagar. Okay, in the east border है ये अपने east की border है. Okay, to कच्छ गुजरात में कितना है? West में कच्छ गुजरात में the total kilometer is 2,933. Okay. Now, this different landforms such as long sea coast, high mountain ranges, river plains, the plateaus and the islands away from the shore are seen here. The diversity of these cultures and languages along with the climate and flora attract us. Flora and fauna. Flora is vegetation and fauna is what? I explained you this previously also. Fauna क्या है? Plant life is vegetation, flora and fauna is animal life. Okay, they attract us. Diversity is seen in our customs, and traditions also. This diversity and feeling of one country give us unique identity. What does it give us, beta? A unique identity. Okay? Understood till here, beta? Yes. Who will like to revise these two paras?
मैम कहना है सर
Sir,
मोहम्मद
it's
फजील.
Yes. कोई और भी परमिशन मांग रहा था. Who was it?
सर ये मोहम्मद फजील.
Fasil, and then someone else was also asking. Who was that boy? Who was it? Yes, Fazil, revise.
Okay मैम. From first paragraph or
Yes,
second?
beta. So that what you have understood, because this is very important. Area is very much important of India. You have to remember lifelong, okay? Yes, revise it.
India is a country of vast. India is a country of vast
Geographical.
area. At the same time, it has geographical diversity. This diversity amazes you. The high peaks of Himalaya mountain region is the north are sound covered throughout the year. The the body of Bengal is in the east. Arabian Sea is in the west of Indian Ocean. Lie in the south of India. The area of India is 32.8 lakh square kilometer. It is
Estimated.
estimated
Estimated.
to be 8,214 kilometer. From Kashmir in the north of the in the south and in extended 2,933 kilometers from
Extends.
Arunachal.
Extends. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. There is 2,933 kilometers from Arunachal. In the east of Kutch, in the Gujarat, in the west, different landforms such as long sea coast,
Hmm.
high
High mountain ranges.
mountains region, river planets. The planets
The plateaus.
are, yes, ma'am.
The plateaus and the islands.
Plateaus and the islands. Uh, Ma'am, your screen is blur. Ma'am, now it is clear. Islands away from the shore are
Shore.
shore and, see her to dynasty of
Dynasty nahi, diversity beta.
diversity of the plural and
Cultures.
language along with uh,
The
along with
climate.
the climate of polar or vegetarian attend to us
Attract us.
diversity in sea in our custom and traditional also
This diversity.
this diversity are the feeling of one country
Country.
give us an unquestioned idea.
Unique identity. यूनिक आइडेंटिटी बोलो जो है. अरे फजिल.
Unique.
Unique identity. Fazil, you need lot of reading practices. Fazil, Fazil,
Yes, ma'am.
uh, are you reading story books and all these things or not?
Yes, ma'am. English book.
So try to pronounce new words, vocabulary. Try to find out new words. Even try to write down those words once. Okay, Fazil. Chalo, Ali Asgar
Yes,
and
ma'am.
everyone.